Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa ating channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Punta tayo sa ating topic, April 17, 2026. Binasag ng kampo ni Lotlot de Leon ang katahimikan tungkol sa isyu sa kapatid na si Ian. Nagsagawa sina Lotlot, Matet, at Kenneth ng hiwalay na misa para sa anibersaryo ng kamatayan ni Nora. Hindi dumalo ang magkakapatid na sina Lotlot, Matet, at Kenneth de Leon sa banal na misa na idinaos sa harap ng puntod ng kanilang yumaong ina na si Nora Honor sa libingan ng mga bayani, sa Taguig City, ngayong Huwebes, April 16, 2026. May sariling pamisa ang adopted children ni Nora na ginanap sa St. John Paul II Parish sa Eastwood, Quezon City. Magkasabay na naganap nitong Huwebes ng umaga ang magkahiwalay na misa para sa unang anibersaryo ng kamatayan ng superstar at national artist for film and broadcast arts. Ang biological son ni Nora na si Ian de Leon ang punong abala sa misa na ginanap sa libingan ng mga bayani. Tapos na ang misa at nakaalis na ang mga miyembro ng media nang dumating ang kanyang kapatid na si Kiko de Leon. Samantala, ang Diamond Star na si Maricel Soriano ang espesyal na bisita sa pamisa ni Lotlot, Matet, at Kenneth sa simbahan sa Eastwood, Quezon City. Naging kontrobersyal ang paggunita sa unang anibersaryo ng pagpanaw ni Nora dahil sa opisyal na pahayag na inilabas ng Esther at Associates, ang legal counsel ni Lotlot. Isa itong malinaw na indikasyong may isyu nga sa pagitan ng mga naulilang anak ni Nora. Nakasaad sa statement na hindi umano kinonsulta si Lotlot kaugnay ng pagtatatag ng One Person Corporation, OPC, kung saan sakop ang Nora Honor Enterprise at Nora Honor Foundation, bilang pagbibigay-pugay sa alaala ni Nora. Taliwas daw ito sa naging pahayag ni Ian sa panayam ni Rico kung saan sinabi niyang kinonsulta niya ang kanyang mga kapatid. Wala raw anumang kinalaman si Lotlot sa itinatag na korporasyon ni Ian. Nakasaad sa official statement ng abogado ni Lotlot na si Attorney Mark Julius Escher, our client, Miss Lotlot de Leon, eldest daughter of our late national artist of the Philippines for film and broadcast arts, Miss Nora Honor, would be issuing this statement today to clarify her lack of involvement with any, or all, initiatives organized by Mr. Ian de Leon relative to the administration and management of the estate of their mother in light of the recent interview he had on the 71st episode of ABS-CBN News Channel's Beyond the Exchange with journalist and veteran anchor, Rico Hizon. To dispel any speculations and doubt, Ms. de Leon was not in any way and in any capacity involved or consulted in the establishment of a one-person corporation, OPC, for both a foundation and an enterprise in honor of Miss Nora Honor which Mr. Ian de Leon has mentioned in his interview. In fact, it is our view that a foundation cannot be established through an OPC legally. Any statement of attribution to Miss de Leon is misleading and a false representation. She has not participated in the founding, management or fundraising efforts of the OPCs that Mr. Ian de Leon has established and that her personal charitable efforts remain focused elsewhere. In Mr. de Leon's recent interview, he stated that, despite the claim of being the sole heir, our client and her siblings are still included in the plans. Our client denies such statement as insofar as she is concerned, she was not consulted and simply informed at the very least of any participation or plans for the administration of their mother's estate. Ayon din sa abogado ni Lotlot, sa kanilang pagkakaalam ay walang last will and testament na nagtatakda kay Ian bilang solong tagapamahala at nag-iisang may awtoridad sa estate ng kanilang ina. Idiniin din nilang, hindi habol ni Lotlot ang anumang mana at anumang interes sa estate at legacy ng pumanaw na ina. Kusa raw lumayo si Lotlot sa anumang responsibilidad matapos magdesisyon si Ian na kunin ang responsibilidad sa lahat ng usaping legal. Ito ay sa kabila ng alam daw ni Ian na may nauna ng itinatag na foundation si Lotlot, kasama silang magkakapatid, at nagpahayag pa raw ito ng suporta. Maiintindihan daw kung bakit nasaktan ng husto si Lotlot nang itanggi ni Ian na may alam siya tungkol dito. To our client's knowledge, there is no last will and testament executed assigning sole administration and authority to the estate of their mother. Miss de Leon is not after any inheritance nor seeking for any gain attached to the estate and legacy of her mother. She has stepped away completely, and this was a conscious and respectful decision after Mr. Landeleon chose to take full responsibility for all legal matters relative to the foundation that our client has previously established together with her siblings. Mr. Landeleon was informed about this matter beforehand and he expressed his support then. It was deeply hurtful and difficult to understand on our clients, and when, after the foundation's YouTube channel and Facebook page were made public, he denied knowledge of the same. Bisitahin ang website ng pep.ph, para sa kabuuan ng artikulo, i-click ang mga link sa description box. At yan ang ating latest showbiz chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, i-click ang notification bell for more showbiz chika updates at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat. Adios.